Hi you guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. Thanks for being here. So I just picked up all my groceries from Walmart and I do the grocery pickup, so they just bring it out to my car. It was so funny. The two guys came and brought it out to my car and the guy goes, "Are you like really into fitness?" And I'm like, "What?" And he goes, "Your groceries are so healthy." So that's nice to hear. And I go, "Oh, because I have tons of chicken and almond milk and fruit." And so these guys that were loading up my groceries were very nice, very sweet. But I just love the Walmart grocery pickup service. It's so convenient for me. And I just order everything on the app and then I go and pick it up and I am good to go for the week. So I like to keep my grocery budget at $200 for my family, me and my husband and my two boys. And this week I was at $197.17. So I love being under budget, even if it's only a couple dollars. I just love doing that. I make my grocery plan and my meal list each week so that I can make sure that we're not overspending, make sure that we're using all the food that we have. I have all my meals in my meal planning book, so I will share these with you after I share with you all the groceries. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I love sharing with you my meal plan to give you some motivation to do your own meal plans. Let me show you what we're having this week. So this is what $197 got me this week, which is a lot of food. This will last us, so I'm definitely happy with being under budget for sure. So I will start over here, a lot of our fruits and vegetables. Like the guy that loaded up my groceries said, he's like, "You have so many fruits and vegetables," and we definitely go through it for sure. Big thing of strawberries. I put strawberries in my boys' lunches. Bananas, we go through a ton of bananas. We go through probably the most of apples. We go through so many apples. They are so delicious. Everyone in our family just loves them. I got some pretzel sticks. These are a snack for one of my kids' classes. It's the 100th day of school coming up this week. And so they're doing some kind of snack project. And so I'm taking in pretzel sticks for that. These yogurt tubes, my kids love them. I freeze them. It's kind of their after dinner treat. This is the yogurt that my husband likes. It is Too Good yogurt, 2 grams of sugar per serving, the vanilla flavor, so it's really good. And he is always looking for things that are low in sugar because everything is just so full of it. And this is his favorite one. I love this water enhancer, pineapple mango. It is delicious. It really helps me drink a lot more water because I just love the taste of it. There's 30 servings in this. It is, it's 0 calories. I thought maybe it was 5 calories. It's 0 calories per serving, so that's wonderful. Cottage cheese, one of my favorite snacks. My kids love it as snacks also. So cottage cheese we usually get each week. I got some butternut squash this week. I have really been craving it and it's so convenient, just comes all kind of chopped up. And it's a better value also than buying like the whole butternut squash and cutting it myself. So of course I go for whatever the better value is. Broccoli, we go through a lot of broccoli. Avocados, they have been really good lately. These are on sale. So I got 5 here. We go through a lot of avocado. Sandwich tins for my husband's sandwiches that he makes for his lunch. Frozen meatballs, we go through a lot of frozen meatballs. I have a frozen meatball recipe video coming up very soon, so check that out. We do a lot of meatball recipes, so I am going to be sharing all those with you. So stay tuned, it will be here soon. I have some almond milk, 2 things of almond milk. The guys that were loading up my groceries, they were really into the almond milk. They were reading all about it. They couldn't believe it was 30 calories per serving. And one of the guys, he said he was going to try it. But my husband uses almond milk for his protein shakes and smoothies. Regular milk, 2 packs of chicken. We go through a lot of chicken. I grill up a pack. I do a lot of chicken in the crock pot as well. So 2 packs of chicken. A big pack of, this is the Vermont maple flavoring sausage. My kids love this stuff. Ground beef, we're gonna do some smash burgers this week. Some cheese raviolis. This is gonna be, I'm gonna use these with the frozen meatballs and it's gonna be a ravioli meatball bake. It's gonna be delicious. Eggs are so expensive. I really want them to go down in price. It would really help my grocery budget a lot. So let's just keep praying for those eggs to go down in price, all right? Some no sugar added pasta sauce. I love this one by Prego. I always make sure we have one in the pantry. This is the same kind of water enhancer, but this one has electrolytes in it, and it's a mixed berry flavor. This is the one my husband likes. Some sugar-free chocolate pudding. Love sugar-free puddings and jellos. A box of popcorn. My kids are just obsessed with popcorn. They will eat it every day. Some chili seasoning mix and a ranch seasoning mix packet. Some old-fashioned oats, and then some regular just packet oatmeal. One of my kids likes old-fashioned oats and the other one likes the packets, so I always have both on hand. This is my favorite sauce, is katsu sauce. I love it on salmon and love it on chicken. I do a lot of chicken, rice, and broccoli bowls, so I absolutely love this sauce. Hamburger buns for the smash burgers. Tortillas. My husband goes through a ton of tortillas. He does burritos all the time. So here's some black beans for his burritos. Had to stock up on some of the canned things in the pantry. Black beans, tomato sauce, Great Northern beans, corn, more black beans, and some kidney beans. I get these soft tortilla bowls that my kids love, and for taco night, we do a lot of taco nights, so I needed one of these for the pantry. And this onion soup mix. This is just like the Lipton onion soup mix, but it's only $1 for these 2 packets, so it's a little bit cheaper than the Lipton one. Big box of Cheerios back here. And I love that I can get the little things that I need as well at Walmart in my grocery pickup. So my husband needed shaving cream. I needed some body wash. They actually changed the kind, not the kind, I got Suave, but it's a different kind of scent. So I'm going to try this scent out. They substituted that, but that's fine. And then last thing I got, Valentine's will be here before we know it. And so I saw these when I was doing my grocery pickup order, these Etch game controller Valentines. My kids get so much sugar on Valentine's at school, and I always try and do something non-sugar related. So I thought this would be a fun activity, and they are little game controllers, and they have the little etching stick. My kids love these little etching paper things to like draw on and make cute little designs. So that will be the Valentines for their classmates at school. So that is all the groceries. Here they are, everything we're gonna have. So let me show you now our meal plan. So we're gonna do smash burgers and salad. We're going to do meatball ravioli bake, like I said. Gonna do a chicken Caesar salad on Wednesday. I have this jalapeno dip that I am really obsessed with, and I've had it and I just keep eating it, and I need to use it up. So I'm going to do a crock pot chicken with this jalapeno dip. It'll be so delicious. I can't wait for that. I'm gonna do burrito bowls. We're gonna do butternut squash pasta on Saturday. And then I have some quinoa in the pantry, so I'm gonna do a crock pot quinoa chili. I'm very, very excited. That'll be delicious. I love any kind of chili for sure. So that is the groceries and the meal plan. I hope you enjoyed checking out everything that I got for this week for me and the family. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.